In this video, I want to talk about some mistakes that people make. The hard truths in the attempt to keep you from shattering your dreams of easily coming online and making money. The idea, the concepts, and the pitfalls that most people fall for, and I've talked about this here on the channel. I made a video where I spent a little over $30,000 following this same sort of path, or taking the wrong direction and not understanding that this only works when you do certain things. And to do that, I want to start with a list of how not to make money online. How not to make money online. Number one, do lots of different things. Number two, do them for short periods of time. Do lots of things, but only try them for a short amount of time. A week, a day, a couple months. Step three, do not get help. Try to do this all by yourself. So as you're doing all these things for these short periods of time, don't ask anybody for help. Don't look for a guide or a mentor that has been where you want to be, who has done the things, who has made all these mistakes. Don't ask for any help. And then as you make all the mistakes, continue to make them and keep making them on your own. So how not to make money online so far. Do lots of different things. Do them for short periods of times. Never, ever ask for help. And then as you make mistakes, repeat those mistakes with all those different things for those short amount of time, or for those short periods of time where you then decide that you are going to jump to the next thing, and repeat those mistakes over and over and over again. So with this concept, with this idea of how not to make money online, what do? Do lots of different things. How about instead, we actually don't spread ourselves too thin and we focus on one thing, one strategy, one idea, one platform, and see if it works, which then moves us into the next thing of do them for short periods of time. If you don't want to make money online, do lots of different things and do them for short periods of time, instead of actually avoiding the temptation to jump to the next shiny object, to move on to the next thing that you see other people having success at, and therefore you see them having great success and not understanding that they are only doing that one thing and they've been doing it for a long time. You are going to jump ship, or you are going to split your time and your effort into mastering, say, I'm on YouTube, but look at the success that this person is having over on TikTok, not realizing that that's all they do is TikTok, or they have taken the time to master YouTube and then have moved over to TikTok. Then you don't actually ask them for help. You don't reach out to someone that you know has had success, who has proven a model, who has a strategy and has followed that strategy repeatedly to have success. So you don't get any help. You start doing lots of things. You only do them for short periods of time because you're jumping around back and forth, or you just completely leave one platform for the other because you know that this is going to be the next thing that is going to work. And then you continue to make all of the same mistakes that you made on the other platform, and you continue to do it on your own, and you're thinking, I don't need any help. If I do this for a short period of time, it's going to work because other people are having great success. And I've tried everything, or I'm doing all these other things, and eventually something will grab hold and I will be a success at these things. Then, of course, you repeat those mistakes over and over again. And then number 4 and number 5 is all about avoiding temptation, as we did before, and the ability, or finding the ability inside yourself to say, I need help. Show me how to do this. And remember that success comes from failing forward. So yes, you will need to make mistakes, and you will make mistakes. But the biggest mistakes, and the reason that you're not making money online, is you're doing lots of different things. You're doing them for short periods of time. You don't ever ask for help, and you continue to make these mistakes, and you repeat these mistakes over and over because you start jumping around looking for that next shiny object, that next thing, and not realizing that the effect happens when you take one thing serious. You focus on that one thing. For example, finding a platform like YouTube and doing affiliate marketing, and do it for 6 months to a year, 2 years, 3 years even, with a 5-year plan, thinking that if I'm going to do this, the people that have had success look at how long they've been doing it and understand that success leaves clues, and understanding that if you look at the majority of businesses that are successful, it's not the big, flashy, extraordinary businesses. It's the ordinary businesses that do something ordinary for an extraordinary amount of time, meaning they focus, they pick one thing, they learn how to do it well, they ask for help, or they look at clues from other people that have done successful things. They look at success of those people and the habits that they actually follow, or the habits that they create over a long period of time. And then they actually use those habits that they learn, either from modeling what other people have done, or even better yet, reaching out, asking for help, and getting help in the form of a mentor. Now, one good thing about understanding all these mistakes that you can make, or how not to make money online, is to look at other people that have found the success that you're looking for. An example of this, and the list that I created for this video, actually came from Alex Hormozi and his podcast, The Game. The keynote speech that he gave at Future Flipper. This is episode 459 on his podcast. And at around 20 minutes and 42 seconds, he talks about if you want to do something epic, you have to be able to do the same thing for an extended period of time without convincing yourself that you're smarter than you are. This means don't let your brain take over and say, I know I can do this because other people are doing it, but I just have to do all these things, and go back to this list of how not to make money online and understand that you have to not do these things in order to actually make money online. So flip it and do the opposite of what this list is telling you to do, because this is about how not to make money online. And it's just a different way to present the information so that you can see it from a different angle, and then it can hopefully click with you, and then it makes sense. Of course, watching this video, or me creating this video for you to watch, in my hopes is to relay the information that I got from Alex, and then let you understand and know that if you watch him and it doesn't click with you when you listen to him and his podcast, it may click with you when you listen to me, or even better yet, if I offered you up another resource for free, and there is a link in the description that will take you over. In this case, and my recommendation is always to start with affiliate marketing and then do what I've said here. Do this for an extended period of time. Focus on this one thing, rinse and repeat, learn from the people that have had success, follow the habits that other people that have found success, follow the habits that they have established, and you'll go a long way, and you will decrease the chances of those shattered dreams of being able to actually build a profitable business online. Link in the description. Check that out for some habits that you're going to want to understand and know and follow suit with. And if you have any comments, ask them in the comment section. And if this video helped, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.